Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Trees. So, are you planning to buy a radio control or remote control product which can fly high in the air, like a remote control helicopter or a radio controlled drone? Then keep watching the video. So today I'm gonna unbox this drone E88 Pro Max. Let me show it to you. So this is the drone E88 Pro Max version. Now this is a series of E88 drones. Now on the top we can see it's clearly mentioned as 4K Ultra HD dual camera features, age for 14 plus, 100% quality. Let's see. It is drone model is E88 Pro Max. Okay, on the top we get to see nothing. On the bottom, oh yes, on the bottom we get to see some information guides, like the item number is, the model number is mainly E88, and this is the Pro Max version of E88. Okay, now some indications like in the rain, do not take it outdoors. If you're taking outdoors, stay away from the high electric wires, high voltage. Now what does this airplane means? Okay, maybe do not fly in airport, and never try to self-disassemble it. Now some instructions are written clearly over here, which you may follow if you don't know about this product. It has been tested according to international standards. Warning: okay, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. Okay, done. Reading that. Okay, on the side we get to see it's clearly mentioned as is available in black and gray color variant. Black and gray. Now there's no tick mark like which color edition we see. Okay, whether it's black or gray. On this side we get to see again the same information, like black and gray in color. It's available, but I guess okay, great. From inside it will look like this: the drone, the transmitter, and some instruction manual. Let's unbox it. The moment we unbox it, we see it comes in a wow. So it comes in a bag. Let's have a look at this bag thing. Okay, it comes in a bag. Let's can just looks like small suitcase. Let's open it and check it out. What do we get inside? Okay, so I guess I opened it from the wrong side maybe. So okay. So here are the contents. The drone was kept right away. So this is the drone itself. Okay, one camera here at the front and one camera at the rear. This, okay, dual camera, written as, let me try it, let me make you try to yes, now you can see FC, okay, some FC, UKC, and those do not dump it. It's a made in China product, as you know, as usual. It's mentioned, right? Yeah, it's mentioned as made in China. Okay, it's a Chinese drone, cheap one. Now, this is the transmitter we get to see. This is power on off. This is the altitude, 1 key takeoff and landing. This is to control the front and rear. This is to control the left and right. I mean trims, left trim, right trim, front trim, and reverse trim, power on off, and these are the antennas, which literally makes no sense since, see, there are no wires. I cannot see any wire over here. It's just for show. Okay, yeah, and then at the top we get to see some buttons. Now we will go through the manual to understand what are the functions of these buttons over here. Now some maybe for trim, let's see, 360 flip and so on. At the rear, it's mentioned as it's made in China. The moment we open it, we get to see 1.5 volt AA 3 cells. We need to install, and then the transmitter starts to work. Okay, in the meantime, what do we get more? Let's see. We get to see one battery. Well, okay, it's like this. It comes, unfortunately, if you were thinking that you could get a micro USB, sorry, it comes with, oh, I mean, sorry, no, if you're thinking that you would get a Type C, which is right now the latest trending tech when it comes to any electronic gadgets, no, you are getting a micro USB, and this is the indication LED light which lights up and maybe turns off. And this is the part which, the pin which goes in the drone. Okay, so let's have a look at the details in here. It says 3.7 volt 1800 mAh. The image here, it's wiped off. 3.7 volt 1800 and some type, and maybe some brand name is like OL and something, plus, positive, negative. That's it. We get to see something. Okay, in the drone we get to see the battery, another battery in the drone itself. Here is an arrow which indicates the top. Let me focus the camera to show you this thing. Oh yeah, now you can see there's a small arrow which indicates the top part. Now we can remove the battery from here. Okay, so we get another battery. Well, this one is also just the same, like micro USB instead of Type C, and this charging pin. Well, here I see some difference on the design work. See, yeah, it's a 2 battery version. This thing has got some design in here, but this battery has got no design. Strange, doesn't? And yeah, there's one small arrow in here. Yeah, and this one, no arrow. Now, yeah, this battery has been manufactured by a brand named as some SMT. Voltage is 3.7, and wait a minute, what? Plus minus, it is not 1800 mAh. Let's compare both and see. This battery is not 1.6, it's actually wiped off a little bit, so it's 1800 mAh, and this one is 3.7 volt. Let's shift it. Hey, it's 1000 mAh, not 100. Yeah, it's 1000, 1000 mAh, not more than that, and 3.7 volt brand manufactured by SMT. Just don't understand what the heck is going wrong with these brands nowadays. What's the problem? Both, it's a 2 battery version, but the capacities is not at all the same. There's difference in the capacity. One is 1800, another one is just 1000. You get to see some extra these pouch which comes with, let me show you some what do we get? Okay, we get to see some propeller, this drone guards which will protect the drone from getting hit on any surface. There's 4 of them, 1 2 3 for the 4 sides, 4 of them. See, Yeah, it's like this. I wonder how strong these would be. Doesn't look so strong, but okay. One screwdriver, okay, the small one, and some, okay, small USB, micro USB to type A charging cable. The build quality seems to be pretty just decent one, and some extra guards like this, some extra propellers. Like this one comes with propeller on the top. You get some extra 4 propellers, not more, not 8. Okay, now keep this thing in mind. Now they look pretty sharp, although they are made of plastic, but yeah, they look sharp. So be careful while you are spending time with this. Now, as it is mentioned that this product is not made for kids below 14 years. It's 14 plus. Let me tell you one thing. Please do not forget that. Like this, it's clearly mentioned ages 14 plus. Not more than that. I mean, not less than that, sorry. Not less than that. And then we get to see something more. What's this? Okay, so folding drone user manual. It's written in Chinese and for ages 14 plus and in English also. That's good. Great Chinese people. If they would have only written in Chinese, it would have been difficult for us. And yes, here comes, unfortunately, this thing is written only in Chinese. You can scan it. Is in English, it is written as iOS, and this one is for Android. That's it. The whole instruction about the how to use the camera, you have to scan the QR code and install the app. That is says. Nothing more than that you have to do, and you're good to go. And after that, yeah, you get to see some. You get a manual which clearly states how you can use the product. Okay, rotation, throttle, the buttons, AA 3 cells, charging micro USB cable, and those stuffs that you can go through it. I guess if you are flying this drone for the very first time, definitely you may go through this. It will be very beneficial and very helpful. Let's keep these things back. Let's focus on the product itself. Okay, we get to see the transmitter itself, the drone. Well, it looks so cute, huh? It comes with the dual camera setup, and here there's a small cable, 2 LED lights, and over here also I guess there could be some LEDs. Now let me use the AA size cells for the transmitter, so then our drone will be working. Okay, now it requires 3 AA size cells, so I will be using 3 of them. Okay, viewers, and then here we go, the drone itself. So let's turn, after installing 3 AA size cells inside Duracell. Okay, let's turn it. And first of all, as per the instruction, you have to open the drone like this. First the top part, this one, then later comes the bottom part. The build quality, according to the price point, it isn't so, it's delicate. Let's be honest, not very strong. So you must definitely be careful while dealing with this product. So or you may end up getting in trouble with it. Okay, so I just open it up. It looks so big in size, the drone. Let's press the switch and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, so since it is the E88 Pro Max version, so it has got two bright LEDs flashing at the front. It looks like a car. So see, it looks like a mesh, and at the top we see a red color LED blinking. Yeah, inside there's a red color LED light also, which literally blinks. Now let's turn on the transmitter and see how it performs. Okay, so you can see the internals, green color circuit board. There's a power button. Okay, so there's small red light. Actually, maybe you can say, yeah, now you can see this. Turn it off. Let me turn it back on. The moment I turn it on, it automatically gets paired automatically. Yeah, it's steady. Now, to start this, just do it once down, once up, and it's ready. See, it works. It's a very nice drone. It's a very nice drone for the price paid. Blades seem to be pretty sharp. Please be careful with it. Now first you can just, what happened to the drone? Some blinking LED lights, I just don't understand. Okay, let's see. Maybe some kind of pairing issue. Let's reconnect it. Done. Again, ready to use a drone. Just the starting switch on, and then now you can control it. You can see all the rotors. Front, reverse, left, right. Now these are the features of the drone. Literally, I just cannot control it. It's so high in speed. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, visit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Treats, and also hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you.